I literally look like I'm going to jail today, but I'm not going to jail. I am taking you to salmon heaven. Is jail the opposite of heaven? That makes no sense. I'm actually here to teach you how to perfectly sear salmon. Yeah, you won't find that in prison, I don't think so. Look at this beauty. The first step in searing salmon is to get your salmon, and you can buy it in pre-cut fillets, but I personally like to ask for a certain weight and then cut it into quadrants like this. I find it really stylistically pleasing, but you can also cut it the other way, that's like the long and skinnier way, whatever you want. There's no right or wrong answer. We're gonna line them up and coat them in a neutral high smoke point oil. I'm using an avocado oil. Canola, vegetable, or grapeseed also works. Season generously with salt. I'm doing a lot on the skin because my goal is to build a nice and crispy skin, and we're obviously adding salt for flavor. Here's one of the most important steps of this entire process. We're using a stainless steel pan. It's not naturally non-stick, and we don't want our fish to stick. So what I did is I heat the pan up for 1 to 2 minutes and I poured water on top. The water should dance on the surface like what you just saw, and if it does, your pan is hot enough. We're gonna wipe that water up, add oil, start skin side down. So I cooked that skin for about 1 to 2 minutes. I flipped it, and we're gonna build a nice golden brown crust on both sides. Now, how long you continue to cook your salmon depends on how cooked you want it. I'm currently pregnant, so I went with a nice 145 internally, and I hit it on all sides because it wasn't fully cooked yet. I also covered it to ensure that it was cooking internally as well. If you like it medium rare, obviously go for a lower temperature and keep an eye on it. I have some tzatziki, which I'm just gonna swoosh, dollop and swoosh. That is what we do in the fancy world. Swoosh with the back of the spoon. Fun fact, in restaurants, presentation side is actually skin side up, but you don't have to do that. I love the way it looks. It's so crisp and clean. And if you took the skin off and you just got that beautiful sear without the skin, put it non-skin side up, because where the skin was is pretty ugly. How perfect. She's perfect. If you like this video and you want more restaurant quality recipes or just tips from a chef, follow my channel. I'd be so grateful. And be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.